Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I am going to explain about commodity contract note. So most of the people are not aware like what is contract note and what are the charges you are charged for your each trade. So like there will be a brokerage and there will be tax and reductions. So every trader must to know like what are the brokerage and taxes are done for each trade. So I am going to explain all those things through this video by a contract note. So before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, also enable the bell icon. If anyone interested to open account with Angel Broking application, you can open the account through the link I have mentioned here. The same link I have mentioned in the description as well. So moving to my WhatsApp group, anyone want to join to my WhatsApp group to get the updates on market and where to invest, all those things I will be providing on this group. The same link I have mentioned in the description as well. So here you can see like today also I have mentioned about Apollo Hospital buy. So like that daily basis I will be providing you free tips on this group. So you can join freely here and you can observe the market and you can start learning and earning money. So this is absolutely a free group. So moving to my YouTube channel, if anyone interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel Libin Easy and you can see a lot of videos related to market. So I upload a lot of strategies related to market and you can learn all the strategies by logging into my YouTube channel. Okay, now let us come to the topic. So today I am going to explain about like contract note. So where we can find the contract note. So most of the people are not aware like what is contract note and where we can find this. So like every day after a trade you will be getting a contract note to your mail ID. So the first thing you have to open your mail ID. So here you can see my mail ID, there is a contract note mentioned on commodities and equities. So like each day they will be sending you like after the trade if you are doing equity trade they will be sending you equity contract note, and for commodity they will be sending you separate commodity contract note. So today we are going to see you the commodity contract note. So the equity contract note already I have explained in my last videos. So you can visit my YouTube channel and you can learn more about equity contract note. Okay, let us see about commodity contract note. The first thing you have to open the mail. Once you open the mail, you can see the PDF file here. You have to open the PDF file. So this is your contract note. Like each trade, after each day they will be sending a contract note. So this will be done by the broking firm. So whatever broker, if you are Angel Broking or if you are Upstock, all whatever maybe, they will be sending you the contract note with reductions and taxes. All those reductions they will be mentioning here. So as a trader, you must look into that. Like what are the reductions they are done and what are the charges they are doing for your trade. So this is a trade, like you can see, like this is a date also they will mention here. So this is 19th June date. So 2020 19th June. So this is the last Friday I have done copper trade. So let us see like what are the charges they are going to do. So here you can see 2 times I have done copper. So here you can see buy sell buy sell. So 2 times I have done. And overall my profit was 1500 rupees. So this was my overall profit for the 2 trades. And finally like you can see the reductions of like every trade, like every buy there will be brokerage of 20 rupees. So that is the charges normally the companies are doing now. So that is the flat charges every company do now. So you have to remember that when you are doing for a trade, for buy there will be 20 rupees and sell also there will be 20 rupees. So for each trade there will be 20 rupees. If you are doing like any lot, like if you are doing 2 lot together also, the brokerage will be same like 20 rupees. So I have done separately 2 lot. That is the reason they are charging for each trade there will be 20 rupees. So you can see as for 80 rupees as brokerage and the other charges. Let us see like what are the other charges they are doing. And you can see here commodity transactional tax is 200 rupees. And CGST, SGST, all the taxes they will be mentioning here. Exchange transactional charges 93 rupees. SEBI turnover, here you can see SEBI turnover. So all the taxes you can see here. They will be mentioning here. SEBI turnover taxes, stamp duty 44 rupees. And what is the final amount? This is the final amount you are going to receive. So only 1000 rupees I am receiving out of 1500 rupees. So it means like per trade they are charging you 250 rupees. So you have to imagine like whenever you are doing a trade, like 10 paisa at least you should get, because the taxes are more here. The only reason is that like the lot size are more. Like when you are going for an equity shares, you are buying only 100 or 200 shares. So the brokerage will come down. So that you have to keep in mind. Like when you are trading in a commodity market, the lot size are more. Like if you are trading for a copper, you are buying 2500 shares at a time, because the lot size you can see here. This is lot size is, the quantity is 2500. That is the reason the taxes also are increasing. And if you are getting 10 paisa, so that is the reason I am telling, like whenever you are buying something, don't exit like around 5 paisa, 10 paisa. In the crude oil, the copper, the major advantage is that if you are getting 10 paisa, it is almost 250 rupees. So you can cover your charges. So if you are getting 1 rupees or like 50 paisa profit, you will be getting around 1250. So 250 will go as brokerage and 1000 rupees you will be getting as profit. So that should be there. So whenever you are buying something, don't exceed with 10 paisa, then it will go only for brokerage and taxes. So that you have to keep in mind. Whenever you are entering something, should know, like you should calculate, okay, what is my brokerage and what is my tax. So all those things, how much it will come. So based on that, you have to buy and you have to exit. So that is a major important things. Like whenever you are buying a contract note, you have to, every day evening you have to check, okay, this is the status and what is the final amount. So the final amount is 1021 rupees you are receiving. So out of 1500 rupees, there is almost around 400 rupees they are deducting. So like that you have to plan out, like okay, how much reductions are there. So based on the taxes, you have to work out. So the same thing, like whenever you want to log in to see, like here you can see, like each trade, like they are charging, like see here you can see the quantity is 2500 and the buy rate you can see here, and like each trade they will be giving you brokerage here. Like brokerage you can see here, each trade there will be brokerage of 20 rupees. So altogether they are charging 80 rupees for the 2 trade. So there will be there you can see, like there will be 2 buy and 2 sell. So every buy there will be 20 rupees and every sell there will be 20 rupees. If you are doing like 2 lot or 3 lot at a time, then the brokerage will be 20 rupees. That is advantage of big traders. So if you are a big trader, you can buy 2 lot or 3 lot at a time and the brokerage will be coming down and the taxes also will be normally coming down. So this is the best benefit for the big traders. So if you are a small trader, should plan like based on the brokerage, you should book the profit, then only you have to exit. And the same thing you can see in my the report also, like what are the reductions they are doing, all those things you can see. Like you can see my profit here. Thousand 21 rupees is my profit, and the same thing you can check in your application also. In the, if you are using Angel Broking or any application, you can log into that application. Once you log into this application, here you can see a report. So just click on report and you can see the transactional report. So just click on this, then they will be getting this page, and here you have to view the transaction. So here you can see what was my profit on that day, 1021.67. so that is credited to my account. So this is my final profit of copper. So whatever the profit they have mentioned in the contract note, the same amount you have to compare. You can compare the same amount with your report also. Like always you have to log into your report. Here you can see like what are the amount is credited to your account, like in equity market how much is going to credited and what are the reductions they are doing. So all those things you can see based on a contract note. You can compare with your report. So always log into whatever platform you are using, log into that report and see like what here you can see like penalty they have done, or like what are the charges they are doing. So all those things you can look into here and you can find out, okay, like what are the charges are doing. So every trader starting before every trader, like if you are a trader, you should know like what are the charges are done for your trade, and you should log in and see, like daily you have to see, like after, like some people what they do, they will buy one lot and maybe even the coast to coast they will exit, like same price they will exit, and finally they will say I don't have loss and profit, and why this much amount they are charging. So if you are a loss or if you are a profit or if you are exiting at coast to coast without profit and loss, then also there is a charges that you have to keep in mind. See if you are getting 50 rupees and see there is already 200 rupees brokerage and taxes, so that they will be deducting if you are in profit or if you are in loss, whatever maybe they will be deducting that amount. So always you have to be careful when you are trading. What are the charges are done by the broker, you have to understand. So before entering into a market, you should learn all those things, then only you have to start trading. Hope this topic is very clear. And if you need any clarification, you can directly contact me, and you can message me, and you can comment me. Like if you want to know any other topics, I will be explaining on my next video. So you can give your suggestions, feedback, all those things. And anyone interested to open account with Angel Broking, you can directly message me, or you can use the link I have mentioned here. Through that link, you can open the account. So kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon to get notification immediately. So if I upload any new videos, so you'll be getting the notification immediately. Thanks for watching.